Bitwala, now rebranded as Nuggs, has established itself as one of the most innovative crypto banking solutions in Europe. The platform seamlessly combines traditional banking services with cryptocurrency management, making it a top choice for users looking for a reliable crypto bank account. With a Bitwala account, customers get access to a fully regulated German bank account alongside integrated Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets. This integration allows users to manage fiat and crypto funds in one place, without the need for multiple apps or exchanges. Opening an account with Bitwala is straightforward. The process is fully digital and can be completed within minutes. Users only need to provide standard identification documents, and once verified, they gain access to both their bank account and crypto wallets. The account comes with an IBAN, making it compatible with SEPA transfers, direct debits, and standard banking operations. This ensures that managing regular finances alongside crypto investments is smooth and efficient. One of the key advantages of Bitwala is the ability to buy, sell, and hold cryptocurrencies directly from the bank account. Transactions are executed quickly, with low fees compared to traditional exchanges. The platform's integration with the German banking system ensures that users' funds are secure, benefiting from both banking regulations and modern crypto security standards. Users can also set up recurring purchases of Bitcoin or Ethereum, simplifying the process of long-term investment strategies. Bitwala offers a dedicated mobile app, giving users full control of their account from anywhere. The app supports real-time notifications, transaction tracking, and instant crypto trading. Security is a priority, with features such as two-factor authentication, biometric login, and cold storage for cryptocurrencies. This combination of traditional banking security and modern crypto features makes it one of the most reliable accounts for anyone serious about managing digital assets. The account also provides access to interest-earning opportunities. Users can earn interest on their Bitcoin holdings through partner programs, creating an additional avenue for passive income. Overall, Bitwala delivers a powerful, user-friendly solution for individuals who want to manage both traditional currency and cryptocurrencies within a single, secure banking environment.